Empilweni yami yonke bengitsho ukuthi into exabanisa abantu imali nomsuzo kuphela, kodwa today ngibona isimanga. Yazi isono sami ukuthi ngiyithole ngiselayinini phakathi eShoprite ngime eceleni kwamaDocmo. Yiso-ke isono sami. Kufika indoda engayazi ime eceleni kwami iyangibuza ukuthi lokudla kumnandi yini. Ngicela-ke ningiphendulele bafethu ukuthi bongathini wena bakubuza ukuthi kumnandi yini lokudla. Yazi ezinye izinto ezixabanisa abantu ezincane. Ngizokwazela mina ukuthi kumnandi lokudla. Uthini lo mfethu ngamanye amagama? Kodwa akasikho lapho. Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Bonga Inkosi. Ngithemba ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Danko. In today's video we're going to talk about Julian Leheran, the head of sports science for Kaizer Chiefs. Obviously is going to be associated with strength and conditioning of the players. So there are complaints from fans saying that it seems like Kuti, whatever that he's doing, the trainings that he's giving to the players are too much because of injuries that are frequent, and we know very well Kuti ke saba ne situation ekanje before, and we'll talk about Thabo Cele induna yendawo. It was reported by Calvary Best of Chiefs confirming that he's back at training, so it simply means good whatever that was happening between him and Kaizer Chiefs, it looks like it's going to be resolved, or it is resolved because he's back training. And we'll talk about Samkelo Zwane and Buntle Molife on their loan deals, whereby they are going to play for Hope FC for this season. So that simply means one thing, they want to give them game time instead of keeping them to a club whereby they won't be used. I believe that's a good plan, also hoping they'll get game time. And we'll talk about Thembi Nkosi Lotho, jersey number 10, Lotho udlala kamnandi. People were asking, and today I was looking at social media platforms, everything was Lotho is going to Chiefs, and now it is made clear by Mazola J. Mulife he's headed back to Libya tonight, rejoining Al Ittihad despite interest from Masfez and Wydad Athletic Club. So Kaizer Chiefs is not mentioned here, so I believe with Abafwetu, whoever that were asking questions that are in the dark, now they are answered. And then again, nazi bafethu ngaphambi ukuthi sekude bengicela ningisize ngentodwa by liking on the video and subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Kodwa ke maso subscribeile, danko kaningi. Asivele sihlala udabini. Julian Leheran comes to Chiefs with a profile that puts him in there, making sure ukuthi he's one of the best in what he's doing. But currently there's a concern ukuthi it looks like he's overworking these players, because when we look at our training sessions that are being captured by the Kaizer Chiefs media team, we see that the training is a little bit intense, but also have to understand that it's for the betterment of these players so that they can get to be boosted in terms of a core and making sure they have that stamina and agility. But it looks like Abafwetu man, they are given a workload too much, because we see my injuries coming, and that simply means one thing, the team might suffer because of what? Games are coming in thick and fast, and you know very well you need your key players available so that you can be able to get points. So with these injuries, it raises a concern, are they trained the right way? Because you always complain about this thing. Last season, people were complaining about Dumachi Safi. We have injuries, but most of them, we don't get them guma matches, but it's training sessions. And that simply means our injuries whereby there are no contact between these players. For example, with Urifros, he has torn his hamstring. So that simply means one thing, the muscles cannot bear that anymore, because they feel like this thing is too much for them. That's why when you see someone has an hamstring, you know very well workload is too much. So is there something that can be done? Maybe because right now we can't be complaining about this thing. Even Muze Maluleke, people complained about him. So it simply means with strength and conditioning esisithola naturally ngazathi kuba nenkinga ebakhona that is being pointed out by our fans. We lost to Flavio da Silva due to an injury. Itenchislete also. Now we have Ngwesa, Ushinga ngeke simbali, uCrosser ngeke simbali, but the other players. So that simply means one thing. But asikho lapho, let's just hope ukuthi into engalungiseka. And then let's move to uThabo Cele, induna yendawo. I believe ukuthi whatever that happened, it's not something that is going to stand in the way of uThabo Cele to perform, especially if he's going to impress the coach. Even though he didn't go to preseason with the team, but we know very well Guti, if he can be given that program to train alone, so that simply means good they want to make him to be on par with the other players. As we saw, Pili didn't go to Spain, Dasinwa didn't go to Spain, so that simply means one thing good, okay, it's all about managing the player. But do you still believe Uguti can offer Kaizer Chiefs something? Mina, for one, to be honest, I believe in Induna Yendawo. I believe Uguti he hasn't lived up to expectations, because when he was signed by Kaizer Chiefs, we all knew what he's capable of. But so far, he hasn't shown that. And we need depth. I was counting the players that we have for this season. If we don't count the ones that have been sent out on loan, we have 33 players. So is that depth going to be enough to carry us throughout the season? Will we survive? And we add Thabo Cele back, because in that middle of the park, I believe it's a position that doesn't have enough depth, especially in that central midfielder role. We have Undlovu there, Samkelo Zwane, as it was reported, he was loaned out to Hope FC, him and Ubuntle Molefe. I won't count the other players that haven't made their debut to the senior team, talking about Nkosana, Vikim Kawana, and Usfiso Timber. So that simply means we have to survive with the players that we have and make sure we use their qualities that they have to their best, so that we get the desired result. With Ucele coming back, it's a huge boost for Kaizer Chiefs in that middle of the park. We know his quality. So as it was reported, he is back training with the club. So that's good news. And then Sovala Lapana ngeyingwenya ke lapha besakhuluma ngazo is those two players. It's Ubuntle Molefe and Samkelo Zwane. So it simply means ukuthi ukusuka kwabo being loaned out, that simply means ukuthi siyavuleka in terms of depth iyancipha. But it's all about ukuthi the coach and the club understand ukuthi these loans are not just loans. It's for them to get the game time, so that we know very well ukuthi they come back with valuable experience. Now, if they're gonna play, I believe it is important for Chiefs, if they loan out players, they should put a clause with these players must play, because it's useless to loan a player and where he's not going to be used. What was the use of that loan? So I believe where they are going, if ever Bambas clean, they can come back strong. As Molefe, I know very well if you check his bright, yes, he was given a long contract. But for Samkelo Zwane, it's going to be difficult, because right now the situation that he's facing, there's no way kungahanjiswa ama-player while ekhona that he is good enough. So that simply means it raises questions. If ever it doesn't pull up his socks, i-career yakhe nje iyoshabalala nje kanjalo phambi kwamehlo akhe. And that's concerning. There's no way you were a prospect player when you were promoted, but now no one rates you. It's all about the ones that know and understand. If you want to get the best out of Samkelo Zwane, this is the position he must be given, or he must play this role. Give him a free role. That's where you're going to get the best out of him. But this one that you want him to mark and do all the things that we see being done by Oxy, being done by Specific Ndlovu, being done by Maboy, because we know it is that player that is elegant, an aesthetic player. It's all about the passes, the flair. So sometimes in modern football, that's not what is required for you to be recommended by the coach. Okay, I'm going to prefer you to play in this position. They want a player that has an impact. You see Ndlovu, today you might rule him out, next match he performs because he understands good, okay, this game I didn't do my level best, and the next game as I was not used, so it simply means good I have to fix what I didn't do in my previous games. But if you are a player, you don't want to improve, you are doing one and the same thing, it simply means good, it's like when you are caged with this is my limit. Without passing, I'm not going to offer the club anything, because of the ball movement, it is important. We all know that. Players like Abomfundo Vilakazi, Abomduduzi Shabalala, they know very well. Sometimes it's not about your movement on the ball. So, I don't know, what do you think about the situation Thabo Cele and the situation laphana kaSamkelo Zwane and Ubuntle Molefe? Is there hope for uSamkelo Zwane? And as for Lodge, eka Lodge ke yona isobala kuhle kwezinqa zembuzi now ukuthi he's not going to join Kaizer Chiefs, he's going back to Libya so that he start preparing for the season ahead. Iwuye ne-Al Ittihad Tripoli laphana, so le besizwe ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs iyamfuna or maybe imfuna azange saziswe, maybe bekuyinto bebayenza behind the scenes, because people are already saying done deal, Lodge is joining Kaizer Chiefs. Kanjani, because we know very well that Lodge right now is the kind of a player that you know very well good. He's no longer that ambitious whereby which wants to win trophies. No, now it's all about securing the bag. That's why he went to that's why he went to Al Ittihad Tripoli. It is because he's chasing the bag now, and there's no other place than being at Libya, playing for one of that Libya's league, because you know what they pay very well. If you can look at his salary package, yeah, you can tell what, yeah, at Chiefs it was going to be difficult because you are diamond. But it's not about Indaba, I believe, the packaging of his salary, but it's also about having a player that you know very well you can use. And Lodge can play all the forward position, left winger, right winger, and a strike. And I believe if he was signed by Chiefs, or he was going to be signed, you are number 10, but I chase number 10, Lodge Dlala. So it is confirmed Bafit. Lodge is not coming to Kaizer Chiefs. So bonana kwi video landelayo. Tango, ikhos, alphelmoya.